welcome to another edition of Dillon's Deep Dive. I'm Matt Dillon, Superintendent of Schools, and I'm excited to be joining you today with a facility update across the Petal School District. And two important projects I want to share with you that's finally at completion is our Bond Referendum, Petal Elementary School, along with our multi-purpose facility at Petal High School. Right now you can see we're in the lobby of the brand new Petal Elementary School. We opened our doors for the 26-27 school year for all of our 3rd and 4th grade students, and we're so excited. And from a superintendent's perspective, I want to say thank you as a community. Thank you for back in May of 2023, understanding that we had a need for space. You stepping up, you voting for this bond referendum so that we could enjoy what we have today. Standing here is a 90,000 square foot plus building that's going to meet the needs of our students and our staff for here and for the years to come. So we're so excited about the new elementary. There will be a ribbon cutting ceremony coming up very soon, and we're going to have some more video to be able to share with you about what this facility looks like and what it has to offer for our students. But also I want to jump over and let's check out the multi-purpose facility at Petal High School. So come join me. Welcome to the Multipurpose Center right here on the campus of Petal High School. Would you take a look at this beautiful facility right here? Yes, we are finally going to get ready to use this facility for the 26-27 school year. Just a reminder, over 2,200 seats in this facility. We have 90 plus chairback seats. We have a practice gym with a stage. This is going to be used in so many ways for our students and staff here in the Petal School District and specifically at Petal High School. But guess what? Even with the bond referendum and all these projects, we also had some summer projects going on in the district as well. And I want you to see some of the work that was done at Petal High School with some of our summer projects. So let's go take a look. All right, as you can see, we're right here on the campus of Petal High School in the redesigned lobby. If you've ever been to Petal High School before, there were only 2 seats in the lobby. Now we have appropriate and adequate seating for any guest that comes to our campus. So we're excited for our team right here at Petal High School to have a great new lobby to be welcoming and inviting to any of our guests that come through. Also on the same campus, I want to take you over to our brand new counseling center. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, we're now at the new counseling center at Petal High School. We were able to repurpose some space that we had here on the math hall and turn it into 12 new offices so that our counselors and all of our team can work to meet the needs of our students and their families, whether it be academics or whatever those needs might be. So right here within this facility that backs up right into the 100 hall, students have the ability to come in, meet with their counselors, get whatever they need from transcripts to scheduling updates and help, advisement, whatever the case may be. They have some great space. Now we're so excited for them to be able to spread out and have adequate space to do what they do so well. So check out our brand new counseling center right here on the campus of Petal High School. But there's one more area I want to show you, and it's at the old elementary school, what we're now calling Petal High School East Campus. Let's go check it out. Hey, in our last leg of the tour, we're right here on the old campus of Petal Elementary School. It's going to be now known as Petal High School East Campus. Several things are going to be housed in this building. First, to my left, is we're going to have a district-wide attendance officer, somebody that can work closely with our students and their families to meet whatever needs that they might have. Also, it provides us some consistency as we have siblings that are across all 5 of our buildings. Also behind me is going to be our athletic hub, and that's where our athletic director and his team is going to be housed to meet the needs of all the people that take advantage of what we have to offer from athletics. So season ticket sales, to sponsorship, the list goes on. It'll be all housed out of this area. But it doesn't stop here in this lobby. It goes down the hallways as well. Our math classes at Petal High School will be housed on this East Campus, and soon we'll have our ELA classes on this campus as well. So our footprint at Petal High School is expanded from the Petal High School field house all the way down to this East Campus. So as we close, I just want to say thank you. None of this would happen without you. Thank you for your support and your confidence in us for that bond initiative and bond referendum back in May of 2023. Fast forward 3 years later, and now look at all the opportunities for our students and staff and the Panther pride that comes with this. You know, as we celebrate 50 years of Panther pride, There's so much pride in this video as we talk about all the facility upgrades that we have. We know we have the best people. We know we have things growing in a great direction, but also we got to have the right facilities, and you came alongside of us and helped us get to this point. Also, a big shout out to our maintenance staff. They did an amazing job with renovation all across the district. So we had many summer projects that we did not highlight in this video that took place on all 5 of our campuses. That was things such as pressure washing, painting, deep cleaning, walls being built, things that were requested by our administration that we were able to honor. We're so proud of that. So Zach Blackwell and our maintenance team, thank you so much for all your work over the summer. In addition to that, John Morris and our tech team had a big part in this. Chief CJ Henry and our SROs did a great job of making sure we had safe facilities, and the list goes on of all the people that were involved in this process. So as always, check out our website at www.petalschools.com. You can click on our Bond Referendum page and see some more pictures and video that will help you to be able to see this space. Also, there are going to be some cool ribbon cutting opportunities coming up soon for these great spaces. And again, thank you for your support of the Petal School District. And as always, go Panthers.